Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys is I'm going to share to you on how I did my wall design in my room. So just like this. Ayan siya. Ganyang design. So first and foremost, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa aking channel and please tap the notification bell as well para every time na may i-upload ako na video is updated ka. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way guys, in this design, we only need gunting, masking tape, paint of course, tsaka paintbrush. Yan lang po yung apat na bagay na gagamitin natin para sa wall design. And yes, before we proceed, I just want to give a shout out to Renzel Ann. Yes, to Renzel Ann. Please guys, subscribe. Paki-subscribe na lang din ng channel niya. So, tulungan na lang po tayo yung mga small YouTubers dyan. Magtulungan na tayo guys para maabot natin yung goal natin sa YouTube. So, let's get started! please, before I leave, once again, tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell para every time na may upload ako na video is updated kayo. And once again guys, shout out to Renzel Ann. Hi! And thank you so much for subscribing. And yes guys, paki-subscribe na rin ang channel niya. Let's help each other to reach your goal in YouTube. So that's all for today's video. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!